Relational database. When two tables have a connection with each other, we call this a relationship. If you have a table customer and another table orders, then we can use both tables to see which customer have ordered something. Making a relationship between tables is by adding a primary key and a foreign key to the row. Every table has a row with unique ID. We call this the primary key. The unique ID of Thomas is 3. The table orders has also a unique ID for every order. It also has a customer ID. We call this the foreign key. In this example, we see that Thomas with ID number 3 has made 3 orders. There are 3 main types of relationships between tables: one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. An example of a one-to-one relationship is when one student is going to one university. A one-to-many example is when one owner has many pets. And a many-to-many example is when a book has many authors and an author has many books. A one-to-one relationship is when only one row of a table is linked to just one row at another table. In a one-to-many relationship, there is one row in the first table and many rows in another table. In a many-to-many example, the same ID will exist many times in every table. But this can be very messy. So to make it less messy, we use an extra table that combines these tables. In this example, Thomas has 2 books, and a book with ID number 3 has 3 authors.